Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a common formatting issue in Microsoft Word. We will show you exactly how to insert text above a table when it is stuck at the very top of a page. If you have ever tried to type above a table that starts on the first line of your document, you know it can be frustrating. But the solution is fast and simple. There are two methods depending on where your table is located. Let's look at the first method. If your table is at the very top of the first page of your document, all you need to do is click inside the top left cell of that table. Make sure your cursor is blinking right before any text in that cell. Then simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. Word will automatically push the table down, giving you a clean space to type your text above it. But what if your table is on the second page, or any other page in your document? Sometimes pressing Enter just adds an empty space inside the table cell instead of moving it down. Here is the professional trick for that situation. Click inside the top left cell again. This time, hold down the Ctrl key and the Shift key and then press Enter. Ctrl Shift Enter. This command instantly creates a clean break, pushing the table down and giving you a brand new editable line right above it. It is that easy. If you found this quick tip helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.